Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to get the most out of BingX with the best referral code and bonuses available. If you're looking for the ultimate BingX referral code and bonus, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The best BingX referral code is CHUCHU. By using this code, you can unlock exclusive bonuses and rewards, giving you a fantastic start on the BingX platform. Here's how it works. 1. Click the top link in the description. Head to the video description and click the top link. This will take you directly to the BingX sign-up page with the referral code CHUCHU automatically applied. 2. Enter the code. If needed, manually enter the BingX referral code CHUCHU during sign-up to ensure you receive all the benefits. 3. Unlock bonuses. With this referral code, you can claim up to $5,000 USDT in rewards. There are various bonuses available for signing up, making your first deposit, and executing your first trade. Plus, participate in new user events and complete tasks to earn even more. BingX is rapidly gaining popularity, offering a user-friendly interface and a range of trading options, including spot, futures, grid trading, and copy trading. It's a versatile platform for both beginners and experienced traders, making it easier than ever to start your crypto journey. Getting started with BingX is straightforward. Simply follow the link in the description, use the referral code CHUCHU, and enjoy a seamless experience with one of the fastest growing exchanges today. Don't miss out on these incredible bonuses. Click the link below, sign up with the referral code CHUCHU, and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading with BingX.